Remember the simpler times? I know the millennials won't, and that's fine. But you remember, don't you? Back when you kept everything behind a firewall and PCs never left the building. So how does your company respond now that employees are using multiple platforms and personal devices to access your data? I'm your new Chief Security Officer, and I know that Microsoft 365 does three things very well. Not in the same way that your Aunt Janine uses Comic Sans for resumes, email, and funeral announcements. At least try Calibri. It's strong. Microsoft 365 gives you the ability to easily secure your PCs and devices so you can work wherever and whenever you need. Right now, 60% of cyber attacks come from a breached device, and thousands of other data leaks occur when a device is lost or stolen. One option is to pretend like nothing has changed and keep operating the old way. But pretty soon, you'll also have to start pretending that you haven't gone out of business. Another option is to embrace this new world and use the Microsoft 365 tools that help you secure all your devices. With Microsoft 365, you can choose between having full control over company-owned devices or lighter weight application management for personal devices. That second option gives you control over company apps and data, but not personal things like pictures or texts. So when an employee leaves your company, you can wipe company data from their device and make sure that all they take with them are good memories and a small scar from that team building exercise.
No, wait, no!
You can also manage policies for all the Windows PCs in your company, such as enforcing BitLocker encryption or automatically installing critical Windows updates. You might be asking, does all this cost money? Well, the money you don't spend on your business can end up being really expensive. The average cyber attack is going to cost you about $80,000. And considering 43% of ransomware attacks take more than a week to fix, we don't have that kind of time or money. At the end of the day, these are just the facts based on billions of hours spent collecting data. To learn more, check out some of the notes I prepared for you here.